Hello. Oh my gosh, it is almost the new year. This lights me up more than anything in the entire world. Planning, creating a new vision, a new goal, all the new things that I want to bring into my life. Like this is my Olympics. This is like what I love more than anything in the world. This is my favorite sporting event on the entire planet. And I'm so excited. I have so much to share with you to end this year and to go into the next year, because this really is something that I'm so freaking great at and that I know I can help you with. So we're going to talk about it. First, let's talk about my 2012 Lady Gaga vibes I got going on here. Like, killing it. This is like making my inner child so happy. If you're on the podcast and you can't see, head over to my YouTube channel because, girl, that's all I'm going to say. So I want to really talk today about expanding our vision of what is possible. Because when you have big dreams, you're going to get big results, all right? It's just what happens. When you are stretching, you are growing, you are expanding, you are doing more, you are being bigger, you are being challenged, and bigger, better things happen to you. I'm going to keep this really short and simple today, so let's just talk about this and make it happen. So as we're planning out our new year, we are wanting to, decide what's going to come into our life in 2025. Are we going to stay the same and stay where we are, or are we going to grow and expand and experience brand new things? I choose expand, okay? So how exactly are we going to expand? Firstly, I want you to find people that inspire you. Find people that have done crazy things with their life and pay attention to them. Listen to what they have to say. Watch interviews with them. Listen to their documentaries. Read their biographies. Follow them on social media. Look at their lives. Look what they do. Next, I want you to expand the environment that you're in. I want you to get out. I want you to talk to new people. I want you to explore new places and new things and try different things. Like, exploration is expansion. That's huge. It's so true though. When you explore new things, you are expanding your mind. You're expanding yourself. You're expanding your vision of what's possible. There's so many incredible things waiting to be discovered that you haven't even experienced or known about yet, and they are just waiting for you to bring them into your reality and bring them into your life. So exploration is a huge part of the process here. It's going to help you expand your ideas, expand your vision of what's possible, expand your belief system, all that good stuff. And when you expand, when you go to new places, you're going to get new opportunities, new ideas, new things coming into you. I have a whole YouTube video all about this. I'll link it right here. You can go watch it. It's really good, okay? It's freaking good. So, expansion. Next, when you're setting goals, when you're making your vision board, when you are deciding what exactly you want to do with your life, I want it to scare you. I want it to light you up and excite you, but I want it to scare you too. I want it to feel like, I don't know if I could do this, because that's how you grow. That's how you grow as a person. When you go up against things that feel hard for you and you're able to release those blocks, you expand into the next level version of yourself, and so on and so forth. You keep doing that. You keep pushing yourself past your comfort zone. You keep pushing yourself to grow. And it feels so good. It feels good to grow. Like, progress is happiness. Tony Robbins always says that, and I totally agree with it. When I'm progressing, when I have new big wild visions, amazing. That's when I'm happiest. Another thing with this is when you do create those big juicy visions that scare you and that excite you, you're going to want to tell people. You're going to be excited. You're going to want to tell the people in your circle. And you just can't do that, okay? If you have one trusted friend who always dreams big and has those crazy big juicy visions herself, You can tell her, but don't go around telling everybody you know, because some people are going to dim your light and they're going to put a damper on your belief that it's possible. Unintentionally. When I was first starting my business, I mean, even now still, I was telling people my dreams and my goals and where I wanted to go with this because I was so excited. And so many people like laughed at me, told me it wasn't possible, like are confused about what I'm even doing anyway. And truly, they just don't see the vision. They're going to be so proud of me when I get to where I want to go. I know it, but they just do not understand because they don't have those same dreams, aspirations, and goals for themselves. They've never wanted to reach and stretch and push themselves to these big, expansive places like you do. And that's okay. Not everybody's on the same path, which is incredible, and all the more reason why you should get on the path, take the action, make your dreams happen, because it's so possible for you. And if you want to expand your vision of what's possible and have a clear roadmap on exactly how to get there, I am hosting a free workshop on December 1st at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to walk you through creating the juiciest vision of your entire life for your best year yet in 2025. It's going to be a total glow up. By the end of 2025, I want you to look back and just be so proud of all that you've accomplished, so proud of the person that you are, so proud of yourself for going after your dreams and for making things happen for yourself. Because I promise you, if you come to this free workshop, if you do the work with me, it's gonna happen. It's bound to happen. At least some of the things you're gonna get, I promise. I'm gonna be teaching you some of my favorite manifestation secrets. I'm going to be teaching you my favorite systems to set goals and to follow them and make them happen. This is not no corny New Year's resolution stuff. This is proven systems that work, okay? We're gonna make it happen for you, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. My Virgo stellium is on fire with this stuff. Love planning, love organization, love getting clarity on where I'm going, love expanding myself, love growing myself. These are my values in life. Growth, expansion, adventure, creativity, love, sharing, teaching, knowledge, all of that. And I'm here to do it. I'm here to share it with you, and I'm so excited for it. I want you there. You can click the link in the description box below this video to join, to be there. If you're watching this after December 1st, you might still be able to get in on it. Okay, baby, so click the link. It might still be there for you. Not sure yet. I love you so much. This is a reminder to look at what you want to do in life and to amplify it by 10. Make it scare you. If it doesn't light a firework in you, it's not big enough. You have more to do, more to see, more to become, and I know that you can get there because I'm gonna help you do it, okay? I love you so much. Dream big, expand yourself, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.